Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm announcing a $50 CRO giveaway, and it's going on from today to May 14th, and I'm doing it through Gleam.io, so I will have the link down in the description. And when you go to the website, you'll probably see something like this. You'll need to make sure that you log in with any of these, and you'll log in. And once you log in with those, then you'll see all of these three. It'll load more entries, because if you don't log in, all you'll see is the first one. So make sure you do log in, as there's 3 ways to enter, and you can, do this one. It's worth 4 points to visit my Instagram page, and just make sure that you follow me on Instagram right here when you do that. And then also join my Telegram group. So you'll just click there, and it'll refer you over to this one right here. And then you'll be entered with all three. So just make sure that you go follow my Instagram, subscribe to me on YouTube, and also join my Telegram group. If you are already in my Telegram group and you already follow me on Instagram and you already are subscribed to me on YouTube, then just click on all of these and then you'll be good to go. All right, good luck to everyone, and that's all for today. So see you guys later in my next video.